In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly add PayPal smart buttons to your Shopify store. Whether you're working with a common theme or something a bit more unique, this guide will offer you the foundational steps you need to integrate PayPal in a seamless way. So let's get started and ensure you have everything you need to follow along smoothly. First off, it's crucial to ensure that you have a few things prepared. Make sure you already have a PayPal business account and a client ID ready, as these are essential for integrating PayPal smart buttons. Also, confirm that PayPal is enabled as a payment method on your Shopify store, either through Shopify Payments or PayPal specifically. Additionally, ensure you have the ability to edit your Shopify theme files, meaning you'll need access to the Edit Code section of your Shopify dashboard. To kick things off and keep your work safe, let's duplicate your current theme. This means we'll be creating a backup of your theme to make sure any changes we make won't disrupt your live site. Navigate to your Shopify admin, head over to the online store section, click on Themes, and then find the Actions drop-down. Here, select Duplicate. Working on this duplicate theme keeps your live site intact while we test the new features. Next, we'll create a snippet specifically for the PayPal button code. Return to the online store section in your Shopify admin, go back to Themes, and click on Actions, then Edit Code. Within the Snippets section, go ahead and click Add Snippet. Let's name it something identifiable, like PayPal Smart Button. Now it's time to paste in the actual PayPal Smart Button's code. You'll need something like a PayPal button container and code that facilitates creating and approving orders through PayPal. Don't forget to replace your client ID with your actual PayPal client ID to make it work. Depending on your needs, you might also adjust the currency and logic values if you're directing this toward a cart or a specific product. After getting your snippet set up, it's time to include this on your product or cart page. You'll need to open the template file where you intend the PayPal button to be displayed. This could be Product Template, Liquid, Main Product.Liquid, or Cart, Liquid, based on the theme you're employed. Insert the line /render PayPal Smart Button %T, exactly where you'd like the button to appear. Finally, remember to save all the changes you've meticulously made. Preview the duplicate theme. Head to one of your product pages or your cart, and you should see the PayPal Smart Button appearing as planned. For an additional layer of assurance, try clicking the button to check that it properly opens up a PayPal window or triggers your checkout process. With that, you're all set to offer a more convenient payment option to your customers.